Hi guys, this is Miss Yoon. I hope everyone's doing well. So in this video, I'm just gonna teach you how to navigate certain websites that I'm going to be actually using for the remote learning starting March 23rd, which is the Monday. So as you are all probably familiar with, this is the Google Classroom, and if you sign into your TUHS account, this is and you click on the chemistry section of your class, and you're going to be prompted into this page. So here, I'm not sure if you guys are utilizing this tab, but on top here it says Stream Class Program People. So depending on which device you use, because I'm using a laptop right now, so it's shown on the top section, but if you're using your phone, you should be probably seeing this or these tabs on the bottom side of your phone. So you have to click on the classwork every single day. And I'm going to be posting the assignments each day, Monday through Friday, at around 8 a.m. Okay, and it's going to be due each day by 11:59 p.m. So you have to make sure that you go online and find the assignment and just make sure that you complete it before 11:59 p.m. So the first tutorial, or like not the tutorial, but like the trial assignment that I posted this week was Edpuzzle. And if you click on the classwork, this is actually the page that you're going to be prompted to. And in case you haven't noticed, this is actually organized by unit. So for the calculated molecular formula from empirical formula was within unit 9. So I have this in here. So if you click on this, you can see the assignment instruction. So you have to make sure that you read this, understand what my expectations are, and once you're done, you're going to click on this, and once you click on it, it's gonna bring you to a new a tab, and you have to actually sign in into your TUHS account if it's not already signed in. So I'm gonna pause here for a second. And this is the page that you're going to be prompted to. So this is the Edpuzzle, and just make sure that you sign in using your TUHS account. You're going to be already automatically added into my class, so you don't have to join any class. If you don't see it, let me know immediately. And if you actually click like the due assignment or no due date or whatever it is, you're gonna see that this is in progress. Okay, I'm just gonna refresh this. Okay, so it says it's the assignment, and I have to just click on it, and let's see what happens. So if I click play
here
button,
we're going to learn how to solve problems like these, where we're given.
It's gonna actually play the video. As it plays the video, once you get closer, these water droplet looking things, they're going to actually ask some questions, or there are some notes that I'm going to be actually posting, which you have to know. And you're going to answer them one by one. My advice to you is that you don't skip around this video, okay? So I'm gonna try to set it so that you can't skip things around. So that makes I just want to make sure that everyone watches it, and everyone understands the concept. So let's just assume that I just got to this section, and I have to answer this question. Okay, so predict the molar mass of whatever using only the information currently on the screen. So you have to read the question carefully. It says usually only the information currently on the screen. So the formula is CF2 and the molar mass is 50. And the multiple of that is going to be twice, right? 2 times. So 50 times 2 is going to be approximately 100, right? So that's going to be the molar mass. And if I submit it, it says that it's to be graded, meaning that since it's an open-ended question, as a teacher, need to actually give you a grade based on your answer. Make sure you click continue, and you can move on watching the video. So let's say that for the rest of the questions, let's say that you completed it. Okay, submit, continue, and so on and so forth. So let's say that I just skip things around here and went directly to see the questions and answer them. As you can see on the bottom side over here, the ones that are in green are actually the ones that you got correct. The ones that are in red, you got them wrong. Okay, and the ones that are not actually in color, like in gray, then that means that I have to grade them for you. So you kind of have to wait. Even if, let's say that you just skipped around and answer all the questions. Okay, take a look at what my screen says. See, as a teacher mode, I can see what the student is, who the student is actually, and the total score, which I'm about to grade and give it to you. The total time that was spent by the student was only 55 seconds, which does not make sense because the video itself is approximately like, I don't know, 100, not 100, 10 minutes long, right? So it doesn't make sense for you to be actually, having like, it doesn't make sense for me to see that like you only spent 55 seconds and you watched the whole thing. So I can see who actually put in the time and the effort in while they were actually trying to answer the questions. So make sure that you don't skip things around and watch the whole thing. Also, if I click on this, I can actually start grading. For open-ended questions, I have to give you guys like the points, and here, let's say that this is wrong, this is correct, this is correct, wrong, wrong, and wrong. Okay. So, and if I go up here, well, because I didn't answer this, I cannot. It says that it's not turned in. Okay. And I cannot give you a grade. So it makes my life a little bit harder for me to actually give you a grade. Okay, so let's go back and take a look at that third question that I did not answer. Question. So briefly describe your words about blah. So I submit it and continue. Okay, and let's pause here and go back to the teacher mode. And here on the bottom, so here this is the question that I didn't get to grade. Now I'm going to grade it's wrong, so I'm going to give an F. So take a look at the grade right now. It's showing 60 out of 100. So this person only watched 10% of the video, and the correct responses were 6 out of 12 questions. But take a look at this section. It says it's not turned in, meaning that you did not watch the entire video clip. And that's why on the right side where it says to do list, it actually showed a to do list, and and although everything's gone, it says watch the whole video to turn in the assignment. Okay, so because you did not watch the entire thing, what it's gonna say under your class and for your assignment, it says it's unfinished. Okay, which is not good. And this is what I'm going to actually see on Google Classroom, because it's going to automatically transfer all the grade to Google Classroom. So for privacy, I just make sure that the name of the students are not revealed here. But for today's assignment, it says that the class average is 8.37 out of 10. So this person actually answered all the questions, but did not turn in, meaning that this person did not watch the entire video. Okay. This person actually, I think I graded it, and then this person just finished watching it, even after I graded it. So that's why it says it's resubmitted. Let's see. Okay, so what I have to do if you do not turn it in through Edpuzzle, I would have to manually input the grade here, which takes a lot of time. So if I have to do that, I'm going to actually deduct some points from you. So I just want to make sure that you guys watch all the videos from 0 second until the end. Okay. And starting Monday, I'm just gonna disable that feature where you can skip around, okay? So that this doesn't happen. Let's see. If you have any questions, just feel free to email me. But starting Monday, I'm not going to be like answering questions at 11:30 p.m. I'm gonna be available during school days. So no, school hours, I would say. So like maybe from 8:15 to 2:30 35, I'm gonna be available, like readily available to answer any of your questions. So make sure that you try your best to actually, do complete all the assignments within that time frame. Okay, that's suggested. Um, okay. So if you have any questions, let me know, and hopefully this video kind of helped you with what my expectations are going to be starting Monday. Okay. Hope everyone just stays safe, okay, and stay home, wash your hands, and do complete all your assignments. And if they are your friends who actually are in chemistry class as well, but if you know that they're not actually putting in any assignments and they're not doing their assignments, just you know tell them that they have to check their emails and the Google Classroom every single day. Okay, so they have to actually put in the effort and the time in order to receive a passing grade. Okay? All right. Have a lovely day, everyone, and I miss you guys. Bye.